Anderson's class. Good afternoon, Mr. Pottinger. 8.2 dividing decimals. Can you divide decimals? Yes. All right. What's divide mean? To split into equal parts. When you divide, you get an answer. That answer is usually called a quotient. Or it's always called a quotient. What number does the splitting? Divisor. What number gets split? Dividend. Do you know all parts of a division problem? Yes. Sweet. This problem right here. How many times does 4 approximately go into 18? 4. About 4 times, right? Yes. If we did the math the long way, does McDonald's serve burgers rare? Make sure we put the decimal point in the correct spot. We got 4 and 6/500, yes? Yes. Is that about 4? Yes. Reasonable answer? Yes. I like. Okay. This guy right here, number 6. We started off with the decimal 0.3, yes? Yes. Can you divide with the decimal in the divisor? No. So in order to get the decimal out of the divisor, we multiply by a power of 10. In this case, what are we going to multiply in order to get rid of that decimal? 10. You're simply going to multiply by 10. But if you multiply the divisor by 10, you must also multiply the dividend by the exact same number, right? Yes. And multiplying by a power of 10, you look at the zeros and you just move the decimal point that many spots. Yes. So then we rewrite. Do we have to rewrite our problem? Yes. It's 36 divided by 3, yes? Yes. So whatever you get for an answer, looks like we got 12, is going to be the exact same thing up here. Yes? Yes. Here's your rule, which we also just wrote in our cheat sheet. Blah, blah, blah. You can read that on your own. How many places did I have to move this decimal? 2. This one actually was a whole number already. Do I still need to move the decimal point? Yes. Because there's always a decimal after a whole number, right? And if you do move the decimal in the divisor, you also need to move it in the dividend, even if that means adding more zeros, yes? Yes. And then always do what? Rewrite. We good?